deepest fear is not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond measure. It is our light, not our darkness, that most frightens us. We ask ourselves who am I to be? Brilliant, gorgeous, talented and fabulous. Actually, who are you not to be? You are a child of God. Your playing small does not serve the world, no. Oh, these are the words of Mandela. Mandela, 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 Mandela. Madi Baba Mandela, 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 Madi Baba. There's nothing enlightened about people shrinking so that other people won't feel insecure around you. Oh, we were born to make manifest the glory of God that is within us. It is not just in some of us, it is in everyone, everyone. Mandela, Mandela, these are his words. Mandela, 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 Madi Baba Mandela, Madi Baba Mandela, Madi Baba Mandela. As we let our light shine, we unconsciously give other people permission to do the same. Hey, hey, as we are liberated from our own fear, our presence automatically liberates others. It liberates others, and these are the words of Mandela. Mandela, 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 Madi Baba 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 Mandela, Mandela.